In today's video, we're gonna make an awesome high protein cottage cheese oatmeal. I'm gonna show you how I make it in the stove and in the microwave. For today's video, I'm only gonna make one serving so you can easily learn the ratios of cottage cheese to oats for as many servings as you need to make. I'm gonna add half a cup of oats into my pot and about a cup of milk. Now I'm using milk for more protein, and milk also makes oatmeal a lot thicker and richer. You could also use water here. I'm also gonna add a pinch of salt. It enhances the flavor of the oatmeal. After I bring the liquid to a boil, it's gonna take about 5 minutes to cook. You wanna stir constantly so the oats don't burn at the bottom. I also cook this on medium heat just to be safe. Now that my oats are done cooking, as you can see, they're nice and thick and creamy. That's when I'm going to add my cottage cheese. And per serving, I like to add 1/3 to 1/2 a cup. And you wanna add your cottage cheese into your oatmeal once the oats are done cooking, and then you're gonna mix it in. Now that my oats are done cooking and my cottage cheese is mixed in here, I can serve this into my bowl. You can also make cottage cheese oatmeal in the microwave, and to do that, you're first gonna grab a large microwave-safe bowl or mug that doesn't get too hot in there. Let's add half a cup of old-fashioned oats into the bowl or mug, 1 cup of liquid, water or milk, and a pinch of salt. We're gonna give this a quick stir, and I'm gonna microwave this for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. How much totally depends on your preference. And then when it's ready, you're gonna take them out, give your oats a good stir, and now is the time where you add that 1/3 of a cup to 1/2 a cup of cottage cheese into the bowl. You're gonna stir it up and top it with your favorite toppings. And guys, just like this, you can make cottage cheese oatmeal in the stovetop in the microwave for a high protein breakfast. If you love cottage cheese in your recipes, watch this next video. See you next time.